Hi guys, there is a small announcement for GATE and ESC aspirants, and I have created this Telegram channel to help GATE and ESC learners. So what is in this channel? I am telling you. So in this channel I have shared important GATE and ESC material as you can see on the screen, and I have shared important playlist of video lectures as you can see. Personally, I followed these videos during my preparation. These are quality videos, so let's give it a try. So for example, power electronics, I am tapping on the link. So important thing is that these are very systematic videos, है ना. So एक ही लिंक के अंदर आप सारे वीडियोस पा सकोगे आप पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के. सो देर विल बी नो कन्फ्यूज़न, लाइक योर स्टडी विल बी स्मूथ. As you can see, under power electronics there are 22 lectures, so you will be finding these lectures very systematic. So initially these videos were private. Now as you can see, he has mentioned complete video course has been made public, so you can enjoy your learning during this wonderful material. I personally followed these videos for many subjects like analog electronics, digital electronics, and some concept of power electronics. So these are wonderful videos, and important thing is who are the people who will be helping you during your preparation on this channel. So as you can see, I have mentioned. So my name is Devendra Chaudhary, All India Rank 5, GATE 2018, and I am creating a team in which currently Rajat Dixit is there, Engineering Services, All India Rank 10, 2020, and I will be showing the contribution of Rajat Dixit, and he is there, I am here, and Gitesh Patel and Akashdeep Gangwar, as you can see on the screen. So I am adding more people on daily basis. Whoever will be interesting, I will be adding them, and they will be aiding you, and they will be helping you. And what new in this channel? So you can see the Rajat Dixit has shared much material, you can see here, and he has shared some important GS material part for ESC aspirants. So he has shared his experience, so he will be guiding you with his experience of All India getting All India rank 10. और important part is that इस वाले चैनल में एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन वाला पार्ट भी है. सो आप जो भी डाउट पोस्ट करोगे, वी विल बी रिजॉल्विंग योर डाउट इन रियल टाइम. So there is a one-stop solution for you guys. If you want to get benefit from this initiative, you can join us. You can join the Telegram channel, and whatever your doubt we will be resolving. So for example, if any doubt is seeking extra attention from us, so we will be explaining that particular doubt on YouTube video, and the link of that YouTube video will be sharing in this channel only. So I will be providing the link of this Telegram channel in the description of the YouTube video. So let's guys come forward and get benefited, and whatever doubt you have in your mind regarding this material, you can reach out to us. Leave your questions in the comment section, and we will be helping you out. Thank you.